Welcome to your latest update for Scotland from the Met Office. Plenty more rain to come this weekend, especially across the northeast of Scotland. We have a warning in force for that rain, really building up through Saturday and into Sunday, potentially causing some disruption. There'll be some brighter spells through the course of the weekend here and there, as we'll see in a moment. But first of all, let's get through the rest of Friday, which is pretty dreek across the east, dull, damp and drizzly. A lot of cloud further west, but some brightness is possible here. Feels pretty chilly out there. Temperatures similar to where they have been through the week, 9 or 10 degrees at best, but feeling cooler because of the cloud and the rain, maybe up to 12 or 13 across the southwest. Now we'll see the rain perhaps easing off across parts of the east through the evening, but staying fairly damp across the north, and then another band of rain comes into the south this evening, spreading into the central belt through the early hours. That's going to be quite heavy, and that will persist across the northeast well into the weekend. Now, with a lot of clouds, the wind's picking up. It's not a particularly cold night. Later in the night, across the far south, well, we could see temperatures dropping if skies start to clear, maybe in rural areas down to 3 or 4 degrees. Could be a bit misty and murky here as well early on Saturday, but pretty quickly the rain should clear from the central belt here. Some dry and bright weather on Saturday, and not too much rain further west either, but across much of the north, particularly to the east, it is going to be very soggy indeed, with that brisk wind just feeding in all the moisture from the North Sea. It's going to feel cold, but the main concern is that rainfall across Aberdeenshire. 25 to 40 millimetres of rain, and through Caithness east to Ross, well, we could see 60 to 80 millimetres of rain, maybe more over the hills. Now that rain could then cause some problems, some disruption to transport, certainly a lot of surface water and spray on the roads, and the potential for flooding also. Now, wet weather will slowly start to ease perhaps a little bit later on Saturday, but if you're stuck under it through the afternoon, temperatures are really going to struggle, 9 or 10 Celsius and feeling even colder. Some brighter skies further south, largely dry, in fact, across the central belt and through the south, and temperatures here maybe up to into the teens in 1 or 2 spots, and the winds will be lighter across the south also. Now the rain, as I said, will start to ease a little bit across the north through the evening. We'll see further showery rain spinning up from the North Sea across eastern areas into Sunday morning. Again, it won't be a particularly cold start to the day. The rain perhaps not as heavy on Sunday, but still in places potential for further problems as that rain across parts of the northeast continues. Further south and further west in particular, we should see some sunny spells on Sunday. And again, temperatures here may just creep into the teens with lighter winds. Further north, the winds won't be as strong on Sunday, but there'll still be a fairly noticeable and chilly feeling breeze. Make sure you keep up to date with the very latest, particularly with those warnings across the northeast. Best way to do that, follow the Met Office on social media.